What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, as usual, so we're gonna be going down, analyzing what we're expecting the market, what are you expecting from the market. Yeah, so today it's a bit of sort of some chilled analysis. So yeah, we'll just see what the market is planning to do, so since it's December, so I'm not expecting much from the price. So I'm not expecting like crazy movements, some sort of things, so yeah, I'm just chilled with this analysis. So yeah, this December I'll be all chilled, not expecting much, yeah. I'll just trade where it's necessary. I'll just trade when the setup is is showing itself, so yeah. But other than that, yeah, I think December is just a chilled month. if you um if you really don't like, you can just take a break, from trading in December. So yeah, because yeah, the market will be, very slow from my experience. So but yeah, that's why I'm saying that I will just look at the market and see what it provides, So yeah, but it's up to you at the end of the day whether you it's up to you whether you're going to be trading or not. But there will be opportunities though, the market will provide opportunity to you guys. So let's just look at the Nasdaq, how just start the analysis from the weekly time frame, then we move lower to the smaller time frames. This is my weekly time frame. If you have been following me, for a while, you will notice that I do have some points of interest that I'm expecting. I always point out where the price will go. So if you've been following me, you'll see that some of the point I've indicated, price did exactly what I said. Um, for example, like this one, like this liquidity, like this imbalance over here. Price came back for this imbalance over here, and start shooting up. As you can see on this picture right here, that price did exactly as I analyzed, so, and it even started shooting up exactly. The only thing that price did not do was to come for this. It was to come for this. What was this? This liquidity void. But again, I'm still expecting sales from Nasdaq. So 2024, I'm expecting Nasdaq to be very bearish. Sorry, I'm expecting Nasdaq to be very bearish. Since I'm expecting the dollar index to be bullish. So next year, definitely the dollar is very bullish. So I think we'll look at my analysis on the dollar, why I'm saying that I'm expecting the dollar to be very bullish next year. So yeah, we'll just look at that later. Just check Nasdaq and see um what might happen. So yeah, let's see. So as I said, um, so over here I have this 4 hour time frame imbalance. So this point of interest, you see price is trading right over here. So it was in 4 hour time frame imbalance, because since we are close to it, I think it will be very reasonable for price to come and fill this 4 hour time frame imbalance out this buy side liquidity, not this one. I have highlighted, because the all-time high, it's very what can I say? It's a major point of interest. So we might not even take out this all-time high at this current moment at this current price. You see, right now we're still trading over here. So I'm not really expecting price to take out this all-time high. There's something about the price that it's giving me doubt, So I'm a bit skeptical about price creating an all-time high. So for now, I'm not high. So which means creating the new all-time high. So for now, I will just see. But let me do this. Let me zoom in. So you can see that weekly candlestick, this one was very bullish. This one was, there was still bullish, but not bullish as this one. You see this one, just this one was long, but not longer than the previous one. Even this one was not longer than the previous one. This was not longer than the previous one. Even this one started being indecisive. So this means that price, it's slowly losing its bullish momentum. So you can see that we are slowly losing the bullish momentum. So now I think we'll start this points of interest I've highlighted. So yeah, you can just see that we slowly losing the momentum. We slowly, I think so far we've came for everything. We've came for the buy side liquidity. There's so many buy side liquidity we took out, which was this one, this, and that's why I'm saying that that's why I'm saying that I'm not really expecting price to create the new all-time high. So maybe before anything happens, but yeah, before anything happens, I don't know when. That I cannot speculate, to be honest. I cannot speculate that when will the new all-time high be created. That is out of my control. So the only thing I can speculate is where the price is likely to gravitate to. So that's the only thing I can speculate. So when will the price create the new all-time high? That I do not know. It can be next year, it can be 2025, it can be, I don't know, some other time. But for now, and create the new all-time high. Right now, what I'm expecting is price to slowly sell. So 2024, probably the first quarter and the second quarter of 2024, we might see that Nasdaq will probably sell. That I'm definitely sure about, So the first quarter and the second quarter, we might just see bearishness from Nasdaq, maybe Nasdaq. Then we'll see from there what really price wants to do. Let me do this. Let me zoom out. So you can see that as well. I moved into the daily time frame. So I've just jumped into the daily time frame. So you can see that on my daily time frame, being bullish for this until we took out this buy liquidity over here, until we took out this buy side liquidity, which was around 16,000 something. Then you can see that over here, you can see that there's consolidation over this area. There's consolidation. So this is a great sign that shows that price now is starting to sell. You can even see by this. So it's really, really, really valid. This candlestick, we should be selling anytime soon. So it wants to sell. It wants to sell. So yeah, going to sell. So let's go even see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. Pardon, there's so many. So you can see that hey, I usually say this on my on my analysis on these videos when I analyze. I use that, so you can see there's imbalance, that is imbalance. So these are all the areas that I'm expecting price to come for. So you can see here we have sort of equal lows. Sorry, these are equal. Take out these equal lows. So you can see that um automatically when we take out these equal lows, so automatically we'll be targeting this imbalance at the same time. So we'll be targeting this imbalance as well that we will go for. There's so many things. So yeah. That will be it. There's nothing much. There's nothing much. Mm, but we shall we can even let's say for the let's do this. Okay, yeah, until the 1st of Jan. So I will be monitoring this buy side liquidity. Can I quickly delete this one? Okay, so I'll be monitoring this buy side price. Does it still have enough drive to get to this buy side liquidity, which I doubt because we already created the market structure shift. So let me do this. Let me try to zoom my. So we already created a market structure shift. This is my market structure shift. There's imbalance. So there's imbalance over here. So after creating the market structure shift, back and fill the imbalance. So we created a market structure shift. There's an imbalance. This is our breaker. So we just tapped into that now and get to this imbalance. So I'll be monitoring this buy side liquidity to see whether price does it break this buy side liquidity. So if it breaks this buy side liquidity imbalance on the 4-hour time frame, if I can let me try. It's definitely fast. So we'll be going for this. There's the imbalance when I move my charts. When I go back to my chart to be filled, something like this one. There's something like this one that is over here. So um optimistic about this one. So price might just not even come for this one. So we'll see. We'll see. Liquidity. Oh, and we have NFP on Friday week. Week will be crazy. This week will be crazy. Crazy. So I'm expecting what you call this? I'm expecting large larger range. Am I saying it correctly? Yeah. I'm expecting NFP to be a very large range day. Yeah, I'm expecting to NFP to create a large range like this. So it will shoot up or it will shoot low. So I don't trade NFP. So yeah, I don't care what price do on that day. So yeah, I'll be sitting on the sideline looking from the bird's eye view what the price it's really doing. So yeah, I don't really care what NFP do. So what I know, but it'll create a large movement. So yeah, we'll see on that one. So yeah, and again, this thing, I'm trying to zoom in. Ah man, this thing needs some patience. Hey, yeah. So this is my Thursday's high. So I'll be looking at this one as well. So I'll see whether the price takes out this high. So which I believe it will take out this high and come to there's a small fair value gap over here. So I believe price will come back to this fair value gap. How Monday's trading goes, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow. Can I quickly do this 50 minutes time frame? Okay, yeah. As you know, because I'm an intraday trader, so I'll be just looking at this Thursday's buy side liquidity, whether it will be taken out. This Thursday's buy side liquidity. You see, here is this imbalance I was talking about before we start shooting low. So I can all price will react to this imbalance that was created on last week Wednesday. It's indicated like this and just drag it out. Price does not trade it to this imbalance. So yeah, I'll just see. So Yeah, I think let's just check Euro USD and see what we have there. Okay, let's jump into the Euro USD. See, because one thing I've noticed is that Euro USD and Nasdaq they tend to move in the same direction. So the same thing I'm expecting on Nasdaq is the same thing I would be expecting on Euro USD. So yeah, let's see what we have on Euro USD. So let's hold. Then I think I'll just check the then yeah, that'll be it. That'll be it. That'll be it. It's taking forever. Oh, yeah. Patience, patience, guys, patience. Okay, let's see on the let's go to the weekly time frame. What we have. So already this is nice. So already you can see that last week's candlestick already closed bearish, which is a good sign. Which is a good sign that Nasdaq will not go higher as well. So you can see that we've been bullish, and over here we created very very strong bullish momentum. Then which this one which so you can see the last candlestick was bearish. So already it's an indication. Oh, I just said indication. Already it's a sign that will start selling. So I think Euro USD, it's obvious. You can see that we have an imbalance over here. We're definitely coming for this imbalance. So I'll try to move into the lower time frame to see that definitely we'll get something on this imbalance. If we move to the lower time frame, definitely we're gonna get something that is obvious. Where price is likely go to gravitate into. So let's okay, you can see that there's an fair value gap. I think it is this one. It is this one on the weekly time frame. You can see this fair value gap. Let me zoom in, zoom. Okay, yeah, you can see that this was not fully filled. We only tapped into it by this week. Then after that, we ran away from it. So I think we need to come back to this fair value gap. And yeah, I don't really like this small fills. Price needs to fill everything, then yeah, then from there I think it's valid for me. So now my interest is here. It's on this one we have there. Perfect. Perfect. So you can see when we move into the lower time frame, we have a nice fair value gap. I think even if we move even lower, you'll see we even have a nicer one. So, but you can see that we have a nice fair value gap, and again we have equal lows. We have equal lows and a fair value gap again. Do you remember that on Nasdaq we have the same where we have equal lows and a fair value gap underneath the equal lows. So there's something like this on Nasdaq as well. So you can see when I say Nasdaq and Euro USD, they tend to move in a same direction. So this is what I'm talking about. So this makes this whole thing what am I oh man. Oh, patience, guys. Patient, please be patient with me. This thing it's playing around. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah. You can see that we have equal lows and a, so definitely we're coming to this point here, and we have a breaker, we have a breaker over here. So this point over here, it's an obvious one. So it's very obvious. It's very obvious. We're coming for this. So let me just see something whether this is what I'm expecting. So this is what I was looking for. You can see, I can just highlight this one. I can just highlight this fair value gap. So you can see inside of this fair value gap, it, you know, this makes this whole fair value gap to be a very point of interest, to be a magnet. When I start saying the magnet, definitely price is coming to this level. Definitely price is coming for this fair value gap. So this breaker as well, it makes it very valid. You can see we have a fair value gap and the breaker inside. So yeah, definitely coming to this fair value gap. We definitely coming to this fair value gap. Definitely coming back to this one on the Euro USD. So just, but the overall direction. So let's see. So, but for now, um, I'm still expecting Euro USD to play around. Maybe come to this. I think it was an order block. Oh no, 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 no! It's not an order block. This is an imbalance. So I'm expecting price to back to this imbalance before it starts going lower. Because you remember um, I said the dollar will be very bullish in the next coming years, which is 20 in the next year. Next year, I'm expecting the dollar to be very bullish. So obviously, if the dollar is bullish, that means the euro will be bearish. So I'm just expecting price to come to this imbalance before we start being bearish. And by bearish, I mean serious bearishness. So the overall direction of Euro USD, I'm expecting it to be bearish, very bearish. You see this, um, huge imbalance over here. Definitely next we're coming for this imbalance. Definitely, most definitely. So my overall direction for Europe for now, my objective is this huge imbalance. So yeah, let's see what we have on the dollar index, what it has. It's taking forever. Okay. Um, let's start on the weekly time frame. Let's just view to have a clear view. Okay, hey. So you can see all these things I'm talking about, they make sense. You'll see as time goes by, you'll see as time goes by. So you remember I said I'm expecting the dollar index to be bullish. So by that bullish momentum, this is where we are coming. This is to go for. So this huge imbalance, this is where we're coming from. And I'm even optimistic about going higher, stick about it. I'm very, very sure that the dollar will go higher than this. High. It's going higher to even take. Yeah, for now I can just use this. It's coming for this buy side liquidity, definitely. So yeah, let's just see. Um, you can see that we're creating a bearish structure, but now that structure was violated. So we started creating a market structure shift by took out everything here. This structure was violated. So we created a market shift. So we came back to the 50% of this low and the high of this. We came back into the 50% from our Fibonacci. We even touch the 0. Yeah. So we came back to 50% off from here, whether price will start going high. So you know how price move, it creates the structure. We don't move in one direction or movement. So yeah, this is how we will be moving, creating what? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, So yeah, this is the reason why I'm saying that the dollar index is bullish, because it will be following the structure, I believe in structure, in patterns, because some people, they say if you use smart money concept, these things they do not work. But to me, I believe in them, because it makes sense for price to move in this structure. So I think you can see even on my, okay, no, it's fine. So yeah, that will be it on my DXY. So my overall direction on the DXY is this buy side liquidity, which is 114,858. So yeah, that's my objective on the DXY. So it will take some time. So it will take some time for us to get to that level. So that's why I'm I'm putting 2024. I'm giving it to 2024 to create that whole structure and see where we end up. So yeah, I think I'll just end it here. So I think I'll just end it here. So I will see as I move with my prop firm's account, So yeah. But for interesting, let's just see what we have on the week. So yeah, my prop firm's account. So I came up with the idea funded with 100,000 or even maybe 50,000 C with that account. I think I'll to my what do you call this, to my FX book, because I don't know, I just feel that it'll make sense for me to just plug my one of my funded accounts there, just for motivation, just for motivation. I'm not trying to prove anything. I'm not, I'm just trying to, motivate the kids out there that, that believe in trading, because one thing about my my FX book is that, it really shows the the performance of the account. If you went through drawdown, it will show the drawdown you went through. If I lose that account, it's fine. It will show that, I lost that account, but which I believe the chances of me losing that account are very slim. So yeah, it will just show my growth, how I keep on moving with this account, yeah, that's my reason why I think I should link my account to my FX book, so that I can, track my performance, so that it will be easy for me to stay consistent. I think if your account is out there, it's sort of like you have to be accountable, for it. So I think it'll make sense for me to upload my account today, and also to motivate, So yeah, we'll see. As soon as I get funded, 50,000 or 100,000, we'll see. Yeah. So yeah, Monday, which is tomorrow, we don't have high impact news, so no trading as usual. So on Tuesday there's something. So okay, just to add on this, since we are on the NFP week next week, so I will be only trading on Tuesday and Wednesday. So other than that, after Wednesday, I will not be trading. So I'll see you guys next week. So I'll only be trading on Tuesday and Wednesday. So after Wednesday, I do not trade. I do not take any trade close, because on Friday we have sorry because on Friday we have NFP. So I don't really like trading after Wednesday, how the smart money guys we do it. So I don't trade on Thursday. I will not be trading on Thursday and Friday. So yeah, after this coming Wednesday, then I'll start my trading next week. So yeah, I think that'll be it, guys. I think that'll be it. Please make sure you like and subscribe. You like this video and subscribe to this channel and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, and another thing, I think again, I think I'll be going live with the account, my funded account as well. So I think all this thing I'll see. It will probably be next month, you know. So I was thinking of going live. You know, I trade New York session. So I think each and every New York session, I'll be going live to show you guys how I execute my trades, how long I hold my trades. So this will be probably be a long videos, you know, because I'll be creating the whole I'll be filming the whole New York session to show you guys how I go about. If it's a winning trade, it will be just like that. If it's a losing trade, I will just upload it as it is like that. So yeah, I think I'll be doing that as well, you know, just to add something on this channel and just to show you that I really make money with this analysis that I post every Sundays on this channel, you know. So these analyses are the ones that help me to get these funded accounts and you know to pass all these challenges. So yeah, I think, yeah, guys, that'll be it for today. So please make sure you subscribe and like this video. Until next time, cheers.